Advise means to tell someone what's best, and suggest means to give an idea. Simple, right? Number one, I blank you to see a doctor. Here we want something strong, like guidance from a professional. The better word is advise. So it becomes, I advise you to see a doctor. Great job. Number two, can I blank a new movie? This one is just about sharing an idea, not giving serious guidance. That's where suggest fits. So it's, can I suggest a new movie? Moving on, number three, the teacher blankers to study more. Teachers usually give us strong recommendations, not just light ideas. So, it's the teacher advised us to study more. Yep, sounds just like my old teacher. Now, number four, may I blank going by bus? This is about giving an option, not a strong instruction. So it's, may I suggest going by bus? Much more polite, unless the bus is late. Then you'll regret that suggestion. And finally, number five, doctors usually blank patients to eat well. Again, this is strong professional guidance. So it's, doctors usually advise patients to eat well. Good work, 5 out of 5. So remember, the main difference is advise means to tell what's best, and suggest means to give an idea. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and do the extra exercise on your own, and then check the answers near the end of this video. I'm Nelson, and hey, if I could advise you one last thing, it's this. Always suggest my videos to your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.